Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw in our title, we will be unbagging our ice cream beauty bag, okay? All right, and for those of you who are not familiar with the ice cream beauty bag, this one is the little sister of the beauty box, okay? And this month's box was absolutely amazing. So I am excited to see what is going to be inside of the little sister, okay? So I will leave all the information down below if you'd like to try it out for yourself. I'm telling you, it's worth it, okay? It's worth it to try. So without further ado, we're going to get right into the products that have come in this month's beauty bag, okay? Now, to start off, I do want to remind you that this bag, it's not the box. This bag is $12.50 per month. You do pay shipping for this one. The box you do not, but the shipping is not very high, okay? You're still right around $15 or so, and you get a minimum of 3 full-size products. Last month, y'all, they really blew our minds because we actually, in addition to our 3 products, we also received not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 individual eyeshadow pans, and they were beautiful, okay? So let's just see what happens this month, okay? Now, this one does come with a description card as well. It's not as large because, as I stated, we do get 3 full size. Just in case I didn't say it, we do get 3 full size, minimum 3 full size products, okay? So the first one that we have is by a company called Sugar Drizzle. Okay, I've never heard, I know you hear me say that a lot, but that, you know, just because I haven't heard of it doesn't mean anything, okay? Because there are a lot of new companies that have shown up on the market. So the Sugar Drizzle is no different as far as I know, and this one is a 12 milliliter lip gloss, and this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty nice, right? Okay, and let's just go ahead and open it, and I will show it to you, and then I'll give you some more details as we take a look. Okay, oh, this is interesting. It's very, very interesting. So this is what the product looks like. How you like that little piece right there? Okay, so as I stated, this is a 12 milliliter lip gloss. This one is a cruelty-free product. It has a 24-month shelf life. We have 2 years to enjoy this product, okay? I'm here for that one, okay? And it says that this one is beautiful finishing touch, providing hydration and moisture to the lips with a hint of color. And this color is actually called Angel. Y'all know we swatch at the end, so we'll come back to that in just a little bit. How about that? Okay, so this one is item number 1. Okay, so let's just keep going. Then the next item that we have is by the company ZEEZA. We've been getting a lot of them lately. They are coming on and coming on strong. Okay, and this one is a setting spray. This is what the outer packaging looks like, which I can really appreciate. I love a nice sleek black look. Okay, and this one is black on black. Is kind of difficult to read sometimes, well, most times, if not all the time, but we'll check it out on the product itself. It says this one is a lasting makeup spray, and it is, there it is on the back, a 100 milliliter size is what we have. Now, all of their information is usually in another language, okay? because this one is a European product. But let's just go ahead and pull out the actual product so we can take a look at that one. All right, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. I'm telling y'all, this is really very nice, sleek packaging. I can appreciate it. All right, now as I stated, this one is a 100 milliliter size. Okay, I do not know if it is a cruelty-free product or not, but this one also has a, wow, this one has a 36-month shelf life. How about that? I don't think a setting spray has lasted me a full year when, you know, once I've opened it. So I don't really know. How about you? How about you? But this one is item number 2, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $29. Okay, so that one is item number 2. I'm trying to remember, did I tell y'all the price of the Sugar Drizzle liquid lip gloss? If not, charge it to my head, not my heart. But that one is $8. Okay, so we have already more than doubled what we've spent for this bag. Okay, so let's just keep going. The last item, because we did receive 3 full size, is by Charmacy Milano. Okay, and this one is an eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is what their packaging looks like. We did receive an item from them earlier in the month as well. Yeah, we did. Okay, so in the box. Okay, so let's just keep going, you know, so we can check it out and see. All right, now this one is a 12 color palette. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it up. This one, it does say, okay, once again, I can really appreciate a package in a package. I open up the box, and this is how the eyeshadow palette came. Look at that. This black sleek is just happening. The only issue I had, well, actually, it's not black. It's a beautiful chocolate brown. Okay, my only challenge is, y'all know how I feel about having the fingerprints all over everything. Okay, so this is what the palette actually looks like, and it is a 10-gram size. It is a cruelty-free product. It has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, and this one, 12 months from the time you open it, but the expiration date on this product is January the 21st, 2027. Now, this one was manufactured on January the 22nd, 2024. Okay, so I can appreciate that, you know, as well. They do let us know when it went to production and when it will expire. Now, it does have, nice, a full-size mirror. We're going to go ahead and cover it with the pouch that came. Okay, and these are beautiful shades. We have some shimmers and some mattes. Okay, ooh, that frost is gorgeous. All right, so this is what the palette looks like. These are the shades. Okay, and I love it when we get a palette that has a black eyeshadow in it. It can't go wrong when you have a black eyeshadow in it. It will kind of help you bring things together. But this is very, very nice. So the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $27. Okay, so what do you think of our 3 products this month? Not bad, right? Not bad. So what I will do, since we have a 36-month shelf life on the setting spray, I'm going to use this one as my base. Here, I'm going to spray my hand. Okay, this is going to be our base primer for right now, and then we're going to swatch some of the eyeshadows. Okay, Okay, I like the mist. It's very nice. Oh, it has a very nice scent as well. Okay, I'm here for that. I'm here for that. Okay. Still love the packaging. It's beautiful on here. I can't necessarily put the lip gloss on over top. How about this? I will go ahead and blot this one off, and then we'll go ahead and put this on while the setting spray dries down. It is a squeeze tube. It almost looks like what I previously had on. It's a little lighter, which I'm okay with. I am okay with that. What do you think? Not bad, right? Right? Okay. And then, wait, let's just swatch. Okay, so let me just say this. These are the colors that I swatched, right? Okay, so we went ahead and we swatched them. I showed you what they look like when I did swatch, but this is what they look like when I put them on. Now, don't forget we did use the setting spray underneath. Okay, so the color payoff is really nice, and I love the creaminess of how they felt when I put them on. Well, when I swatched them, I actually like that. Okay, so the only other thing I would like to have, happen would have been maybe if they had a name or a number to associate it with, but, that's not a big deal either way. But I'm just saying that's something that I like. Okay, yes, y'all, I am over here wiping the fingerprints off. Yes, I know I'm extra, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. I hope you're okay with that too. So, what do you think? The lippy, the setting spray, and then on top of that, each of the shadows. Okay, I can appreciate this black. It's very nice and black. Okay, let me know your thoughts. Okay, I'm pleased. Once again, I have to tell you, in the amount of time that I have been receiving the Ice Cream Beauty box and now the bag, I'm pretty sure it's been over a year now with the box. The bag, not so much. I think we started that one the beginning of this year because we replaced our Ipsy Glam bag with this one, okay? So, but I don't think I've really been disappointed since I've started getting it. Okay, now the only thing is, these are what, indie brands. They are not the niche, brands that we know. But I'm here for that. I am definitely here for that. Okay, I really do appreciate the shades, that we received. Okay, it's not necessarily just a summer palette or anything like that, because these you can really delve into and wear them during any part of the year, regardless of the season. Okay, so let me know how you feel about this. Are you subscribed to the Ice Cream Beauty bag? Okay, this is a very nice $12.50 being spent. Okay, I'm just saying, for me, in my opinion. Okay, so I just want to tell you, thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged, I got it right the first time, our Ice Cream Beauty bag for the month of July. These are the items that were included down below, the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all three products that were included inside. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's free. That's the best price. Free. Okay? Now, make sure you share it with someone. Let them know about the Ice Cream Beauty bag as well. Take a look at the beauty box. I'll link it up above so that I'm pretty sure it was the last video that I did because they came in a couple days apart, but share it. let somebody else know about the ice cream beauty bag. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.